I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a unique side dish for turkey dinner, and super easy to make. So I have here marshmallow, brown sugar, butter, bourbon whiskey, cinnamon, and vanilla extract, and of course the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes for this recipe, you can bake them, you can microwave them, but definitely not to boil them, especially for this recipe. And we're gonna slice it in half. Perfect. Nice, here we go. It's a little hot. Let's scoop out all the potatoes from the skin. I could have waited a little bit to cool down, but no patience. Now it's the last one. Here we go, all out. Now I'm gonna add the butter, brown sugar, bourbon, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and let's mash it all up. Smells so good. Actually, it was good things the potato was still hot, so it was easy for the butter to melt. So this one's going to be a yummy bourbon sweet potato. One of my favorite side dish for turkey dinner. All goes in, and I'm using here 2" by 10" glass pie plate. Nice, here you go, equal thickness everywhere. And now my favorite part, it's the marshmallow on top. The ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box down below. So your oven preheated on bake on 350. After 20 minutes, look at that beauty. A little orange zest as a garnish on top. And always better to let it rest 5 to 10 minutes and then you serve it. Can't wait to try it. Oh boy, you don't need turkey for this. I can destroy the whole thing just like that. So bourbon sweet potato, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.